A quick look at installing your Bodysonic software. Utilizing the included software, you can simply follow the on-screen prompts with your Windows-based operating system, whether that be a personal computer or laptop-based PC computer, to install your Bodysonic Health software. By following the on-screen prompts and utilizing the included packaging material and instructions guide, you'll notice how incredibly simple it is to begin the installation process, and as mentioned, simply follow all the on-screen prompts, and within a short amount of time you are set up, ready to go, and begin utilizing your Bodysonic by Wave Health Technologies.